Imagine if only you had bought Bitcoin when it was just $1. In 2008, a mysterious white paper quietly appeared. 2009 brought the Genesis block and the very first transaction. Then in 2010, 10,000 Bitcoin bought two picture. By 2011, Bitcoin finally reached $1. It survived bubbles, crashes, and four halvings. Corporations joined. ETFs were approved. In 2004, it broke $100,000. By 2005, it touched 126,000. Today, in April 2006, one Bitcoin trades around $72,000. Looking back at that old screen showing just $1, many still whisper the same words, if only. This is the vintage Bitcoin microfilm documentary. The journey continues.